Hi, I'm Elise for Hamilton Beach. Breakfast is considered the most important meal of the day, but it's also the one that's most often skipped. Rushed mornings don't leave much time for preparing breakfast. That's where the dual breakfast sandwich maker comes in. Drive-thrus in the frozen food aisle offer easy breakfast sandwiches, but those can have questionable ingredients, so you're never quite sure what you're getting. Now, with the dual breakfast sandwich maker, you can make 2 of your favorite sandwiches with your own fresh ingredients at home even faster. It's great for families because everyone can have a custom sandwich in minutes. Just choose the bread you love, English muffin, biscuit, bagel, or even pancakes. Then layer on your favorite toppings, cheese, pre-cooked meat, or veggies. Lower the cooking plate and top ring, add an egg, top with the other piece of bread, and close. Set the timer for 4 to 5 minutes, and when you hear a beep, slide the egg cooking plates out, and you'll have 2 hot, toasty, perfectly assembled breakfast sandwiches ready to eat or take on the go. Cleanup is easy too. All the removable parts can go in the dishwasher, and the cooking surfaces are non-stick. It's the perfectly simple way to make 2 delicious and nutritious breakfast sandwiches. Now that's good thinking.
The Sultan 3-in-1 is a grill, sandwich, and waffle maker all in one. I love kitchen products that help me make great fun food for my family, especially when they don't take up much space. The 3-in-1 is the perfect size. I can make breakfast waffles, then change the plates and grill a sandwich, and then change the plates again and grill for dinner. Let me show you how it works. While the grill is cool, choose the plate you want and snap it into place. Close the lid and plug it in. You will see both a green and red light. When the green light turns off, you're ready to go. Imagine all of the food you can make. I use it all the time to grill healthy foods for my family, like chicken and vegetables. And it's non-stick, so you don't have to add any butter or oil. The grill is also great for fish, restaurant-style panini sandwiches, hamburgers, and my favorite, low-fat buffalo chicken sliders. No need to flip your foods because it's grilling from the top and the bottom, cutting the cooking time in half. Change the plates and you can make grilled pocket sandwiches. Choose your toppings, place on the grill, and lock the lid. Ham and cheese never look so good. And how about homemade pizza pockets? Use bread or refrigerated dough, add your toppings, and cook. Amazingly fast and delicious. Just butter 4 pieces of any bread. Sprinkle with cinnamon sugar, add apple pie filling in the middle, and cook for 3 minutes. Now, you have quick, homemade apple pie. It gets better. Your grill is also a waffle maker. All you do is you pour about 1/3 cup of batter on a hot plate on each side, and then you cook them for about 5 minutes for the most perfect, delicious waffles for breakfast or dessert. Unlike other countertop grills that are impossible to clean, Sultan's non-stick coating and removable plates make it easy. Just stick the plates in the dishwasher. Not that you want to put it away, but that's easy too. Enjoy the must-have 3-in-1 grill, sandwich, and waffle maker today.